Senses presentation, vision, and the eye. First, light rays reflect off an object and enter the eye through the cornea. The cornea refracts the rays that pass through the pupil. The pupil is the adjustable opening in the center of the eye through which light enters. The iris opens and closes and regulates to regulate the amount of light passing through. It is a ring of muscle tissue that forms the colored portion of the eye around the pupil. It can control the size of the pupil opening. Next, rays pass through the lens, and the lens is behind the pupil and focuses incoming light rays into an image. So once the rays pass through the lens and change shape to further bend the rays and focus them on the retina, which is at the back of the eye. The bending of the lens is called accommodation. The retina, which is a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eye, contains millions of tiny light-sensing nerve cells called rods and cones. The fovea is the center of the retina and is where the cones are located. Rods are spread throughout the outside of the retina. Cones see color and are important in sight during the day in light conditions, and rods see only black and white and are important in peripheral vision and night vision and just dark light condition vision. Bipolar cells then transmit impulses to the ganglion cells. The bipolar cells are a type of neuron that has two extensions, specialized sensory neurons for the transmission of special tissue. And the ganglion cells receive visual information from photoreceptors via two intermediate neuron types, bipolar cells and retina amacrine cells. The axons of the ganglion cells make up the optic nerve, which transmits info to the thalamus. Now, the optic nerve is really just the step that carries those impulses finally to a part of the brain. The blind spot is the place where the optic nerve meets the retina. It is an area of each eye that has no image detection. Peripheral vision is what appears on the outside of the very center of our gaze. And to give you an idea of how encompassing that is, it is only 3 degrees outside our direct line of vision. And that is vision and the eye.